For more than 3 years, the Russia Ukraine war has continued to shape global politics in ways few conflicts ever have. Entire cities have been destroyed, millions of people have been forced to flee their homes, and tensions between major world powers have reached levels not seen in decades. What began as a regional conflict has now become a global concern, affecting energy prices, military alliances, and diplomatic relations across continents. At the center of this crisis lies eastern Ukraine, especially the Donbas region, where fighting has been relentless and negotiations painfully slow. Despite countless peace talks, ceasefire proposals, and international pressure, the war has refused to end. Now, a fresh statement from US President Donald Trump has once again pushed the conflict into the global spotlight. According to Trump, the next few weeks could be decisive in determining whether the war finally moves toward an end or drags on even longer. Hey everyone! Before we dive into today's story, I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Ion Infotech. They are not just any tech company, they are our media partner here at Sutra Network, helping us bring you the content that often gets overlooked by the media but really matters. Ion Infotech is all about the digital future. They specialize in AI, app development, and yes, even game app development. They use their unique 4D model discovery, design, development, and deployment to ensure every project is a success. And in today's world, every business needs a strong digital presence. They are the ones who can help you move beyond traditional marketing and get your business visible on modern platforms like Gemini, ChatGPT, and all those new AI search and source hubs. So, if you are looking to bring your digital project to life and really stand out online, definitely check them out. And remember, by supporting them, you are supporting us. Hit the link in the description, mention Sutra Network, and you'll get a little extra perk. Now, let's get back to the video. So, what triggered the moment? This moment began at Trump's estate in Florida, where he held a high profile meeting with Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky. After the meeting, Trump spoke openly to reporters, signaling cautious optimism but also clear uncertainty. Standing alongside Zelensky, Trump said that discussions between Ukraine and Russia were getting closer, particularly on the sensitive issue of Donbass. However, he also made it clear that nothing was guaranteed. According to Trump, if talks progressed smoothly, clarity could emerge within a few weeks. But if negotiations face obstacles, the timeline could stretch far longer. Those words instantly made headlines around the world. The phrase, a few weeks, became a symbol of both hope and hesitation, raising questions about whether the world is finally nearing a turning point or simply witnessing another moment of diplomatic optimism. Trump also revealed that he had offered to address Ukraine's parliament, a move aimed at directly supporting the latest peace plan and strengthening political momentum inside Ukraine. At the heart of this conflict is the Donbas region, a territory that carries enormous political, emotional, and strategic value. For Ukraine, Donbas represents national sovereignty and territorial integrity. Any compromise over the region risks domestic backlash and political instability. For Russia, Donbas holds strategic importance and serves as a symbol of influence in the region. Giving ground could be seen internally as a loss, something Russian leadership has been unwilling to accept easily. Trump himself acknowledged how difficult this issue remains. Even as talks appear to be moving forward, the question of disputed territory continues to be the biggest roadblock. Beyond land, there are deeper issues that complicate peace efforts, including Ukraine's future security guarantees, Western sanctions on Russia, the role of NATO, and the unity of European nations. Each of these factors has derailed negotiations in the past, and any one of them could once again slow or stop progress. So, why the world is watching closely? The outcome of these talks will have consequences far beyond Ukraine and Russia. For Ukraine, the decision could define its borders, independence, and long term security. For Russia, it could reshape its global standing and influence. Europe has perhaps the most to gain or lose. A successful peace deal could finally bring stability to the region, reduce security threats, and ease economic pressure. On the other hand, a failed effort could mean continued instability on Europe's doorstep for years to come. For the United States, this movement is about leadership and credibility. Trump's involvement signals a renewed attempt to influence the direction of the conflict and demonstrate America's role as global power broker. This is why Trump's comments have resonated so strongly. The idea that a decision could be reached in weeks suggests urgency, while the lack of a firm deadline keeps expectation realistic. Trump's approach to diplomacy have always been unconventional, and this situation is no different. Rather than relying solely on behind the scenes negotiations, he favors direct engagement and public signaling. By hosting Zelensky at Mar-a-Lago, Trump elevated the talks beyond standard diplomatic channels. His suggestion of meeting European leaders in Washington further indicates a push to bring all key players to the table. Perhaps most striking is Trump's offer to address Ukraine's parliament. This move would allow him to speak directly to Ukrainian lawmakers and the public, potentially shaping opinion and building internal support for a peace of framework. Supporters see this as bold and decisive. Critics, however, worry that moving too fast without a detailed structure could create unrealistic expectations or lead to fragile agreements. There is a growing sense that this moment is not like previous peace attempts. Years of fighting have created exhaustion on all sides. The economic cost of war continues to rise. Political pressures are increasing, and global attention is divided by other crises. Trump's leadership style adds another layer to the shift. His willingness to speak openly about timeliness, even vague ones, introduces urgency into a process that has often stalled due to caution and hesitation. At the same time, by avoiding a fixed deadline, Trump has left room for flexibility. This balance between urgency and realism may explain why many believe the coming weeks could genuinely matter. As the world enters what Trump has described as a potentially decisive period, one thing is clear. The Russia Ukraine war has reached another critical crossroads. Diplomatic doors appear open, but the path to peace remains narrow and uncertain. Whether these few weeks lead to meaningful progress or become another missed opportunity will depend on decisions made behind closed doors in Kiev, Moscow, Washington, and European capitals. For now, the world watches, waits, and hopes that this moment could finally mark the beginning of the end of a war that has already lasted. Where many news channels are caught up in noise and agendas, Sutra Network stands firmly with facts and truth. We don't chase sensationalism, we show reality. If you believe in honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach the people, click the link below and share.